The second thing I want all of you to do simultaneously or after. The second thing I want you to do simultaneously, that means you're going to have a puja here, you're going to have a puja over there. That's why we have two places. Here or there or after depends, okay, is I want you to do 1 million Setrap mantras. Very nice. Very powerful, very beautiful. Why? You do the Yidam first. Then you do the Dharma Protector. So this is how I want you guys to do the Setrap one. And listen very carefully. It's not going to be the normal way. You do not offer tok every single day. You do not. You offer 1 bowl of milk, black tea, yogurt, biscuit, and what's the last one? Huh? Yes, beer or whatever. Okay, just 5. You don't have to buy a lot of tok biscuits every day. You offer those 5. You offer sensory offerings. Okay, and every single day, 100 to 108 water bowls to set up every single day. You do the whole puja and the black tea part. The black tea part, I want all of you to do up to 50,000 black tea. That means if you do 1 mala, that's 108, right? You don't count the 8, it's 100. So if there's 100 of you, how much is that? Anybody educated? Because I'm from Tibet. Don't got calculator. Ayo. He said 10,000. I want you guys to do how many? That's it. No, that's too small. Just kidding. Just kidding. 108,000 black tea combined. And I want you to do 1 million mantras. So during the puja, you don't have to put a lot of tok. You do not have to put tok every day. You put the 5 essential offerings and then the sensory offerings and the water offerings. Same as here. Beautiful. All right? You burn incense. You sit down with your body, speech, and mind, and you focus and you ask the Dharma Protector Setrap to make an institution that benefits others directly and indirectly. Directly is what? People involved who go there. Indirectly is inspire other people to do this in other parts of the world. Indirectly. Help us to create such an institution that will benefit everyone on this planet and inspire them. Everyone. And help me. Because by helping others, by focusing out, you will help yourself. Automatically. So I want you to do 1 million protector mantras combined. Om Maha Yachatsa Soha. Combined. And those of you who are going to do it, I will come before your first day of puja, and I will give you an oral transmission of Setrap's mantra. For those of you who have not received it, who have received it, you can get another one. I will come on that day to officiate. After I give you the oral transmission, I got to go home and do what Gimli does. I got very important things to do. All right? So, 1 million Setrap mantras. Timeline up to you. You want KWPC come out quick, you do quick. You want come out slow, you do slow lah. And how many black teas? 50,000? Very good. 108,000 black teas. And you pour it. Oh my because you pour when you recite. You pour. Okay? 108,000. That will be a combined Setrap retreat. You can do the Setrap retreat during this, part of it there, or you can do it afterwards. You can do it here, you can do it there, up to you guys. Because in KH2, you have the whole sofa area, you can move it. And just do the retreat there, all right? And same thing there, during the Setrap retreat, bring your Buddha images, pendants, bring Setrap images, bring these holy items, put it there for blessing. It'll be very powerful. That's what we do in the monasteries during retreat. That's what we do. And for some of you who have big statues, you know what you do. You haven't bought it yet. What you can do is this. You can purchase some mantras or some pearls or some chakras, keep it there, then you can put it inside your statues. For the ones that are unconsecrated, bring it back. So that's blessing the statue, same thing. All right? So 1 million Setrap mantras, 1 million. I'll blog about this, I'll write more about this. So if you don't have an email, you leave your email. Make sure you're up to date. 1 million Setrap mantras, perpetuate. And that's mantra. That is mantra. That is black tea. On top of that, do 108,000 prostrations to Setrap and Zambala combined. That means you can do 50,000 here, 50,000 there. Why? To purify your body so that when you do the Dharma work, obstacles will not arise and diseases come out and can be cured quickly. During this retreat, listen carefully, everyone. During these 2 retreats, many of you will experience anger, disharmony, fighting, minor accidents, bad dreams, disputes. You will experience that. When you experience it, feel happy. Why? The karma is coming out. You say, oh, then I don't do. If you don't do, it will come out later bigger. Does everybody understand? Why? When you go to the doctors and you're detoxifying, all of it will come out. It'll be very powerful. All right, be warned about that. In Buddhism, when something bad happens when you're doing spiritual practice, it's a very good sign. Why? It's the karma coming out, so it cannot harm you in the long run. Cannot harm. Does everybody understand? All right? So maybe you go get a haircut and they shave you bald. Don't be sad. It's purification. Because the guy got the order wrong. Everybody understand? Okay, so KH, Kichara House, will make a formal announcement, put it up on the bulletin boards, put it up on our websites, and inform everybody through SMS, mass SMS, of these rituals. Compose it well. I'll put Paris in charge of writing it because she's an excellent writer. These 2 things I've explained, put it up. We'll put posters, we'll put everything up, and we'll do it. And memorize how we do it this time, the Zambala. Memorize how we do the Setrap, all right? Because we're going to do this again and again this year and next year, and when KWPC come up. When KWPC come up, visualize yourself in front of the largest Tsongkhapa in the world doing this puja, making the water offerings. It will happen. It will be very good if we can have one of our liaisons give a Dharma talk on Setrap's lineage, Setrap's background and benefit before the retreat to the people who are participating. And it would be very good for one of our liaisons, you guys decide who, to give a wonderful, glorious, inspirational talk on Zambala before the Zambala retreat to the group. And to film it and YouTube it and put it on, so if you make a mistake, you're dead meat. Isn't that wonderful? Film it. Film it. Record it. That's right. So one of the liaisons should give a little nice Dharma talk under 1 hour, 1.5 hours, and answer questions regarding it. Okay? They'd be excellent. So I want you guys to organize it, and people who want to join that don't know anything, that are new, they don't know how, organize a committee to show them how to do Zambala's rituals. Be very, very nice. And if you go to the outlets, they run out of the stuff, do it makeshift. The outlets should order more from wherever you're ordering from. I think you guys order your stuff from Cambodia or something, huh? Cambodia, Laos, I think, was it Zimbabwe or something. So you guys don't go there. You won't find it. It's very difficult. They order this from Zimbabwe, Laos. So you just get it from there. They'll get it for you from Zimbabwe. All right? You guys should have a lot more Zambala stuff. A lot more Setrap black tea stuff. All right? Everybody who's doing it must have a Setrap black tea set. Everybody. Everybody must have a Setrap black tea set. Nice one. If you don't have one, you get a makeshift one, and I want I want the outlets to order the same. And then you can buy from them later on, even into the retreat. Why? You need it again and again later. Another reason, I want it to be uniform. I don't want someone to have a vase this big, and a pink vase, a Mickey Mouse vase, a Tibetan vase. I want it to be all the same so it looks clean and clear. Why? We have to think about KWPC when we go up there. All right? So outlets, please order from Zimbabwe and Laos, quick. No, they don't get it from Nepal or that, so you can't find it there. Don't even think about going there and getting a discount. Forget it. And some of you who have a lot of merits and who want to dedicate, you can get silver ones and dedicate to special people and put jewels on the side. Very beautiful. You can use it forever. That's where we went. Yes, he's excited. That's right. Mr. Ngao, no plastic stuff, okay? Thanks. You and your group of very generous friends like Roland, no plastic things, huh? They'll know my little joke. Roland's a good sport. Outside of this place, I can say this kind of thing for distinguished elder man like that. I get it. Here, I'm the boss. I'm watching you. Okay, now. So, that's what we're going to do. The purpose, to build the inner Zambala, to get rid of miserly energy, to destroy inner obstacles by doing Setrap. What else do we want to do? We do our own practice. Our center's special flagship practice. Our center's protector is the great Dharma Pala, which is Dharma holder, sworn to Shakyamuni, Setrap, golden armor, golden cuirass. His name is DS in short, Dharma Pala Setrap. or DS. Short and simple. Where are you going? For DS puja. Why are you going for a DS puja? Because I got tired of staring at the wall at home. That's why. Now, what do you bring for the Setrap puja? Yourself, your ritual set. Try to commit to come as much as possible because it's good for you. Why? You do it at home, you fall asleep, the TV's on, someone call you out for dinding, you go, you're here, you really concentrate. It's very blessed. All right? Do it for KWPC, do it for our institution, and do it for yourself. And if you know someone very sick, or, no offense, if you know someone very sick, or someone who has died, or if you know someone who is afflicted by spirits, then you can take their name and their picture, a small one, teeny one, and during the ritual with Setrap, bind it and put it under the statue during the ritual and keep it there. It will bless them very much. Does everybody understand? So committee, you organize all of that. You can be doing your Setrap puja, right? And then you take a break and you stop, you go do some prostrations. Or you can finish the puja and do the prostrations. Or you can do the prostration first and do the puja, up to you. But you don't get people who are not able to do it, you know, you don't get Mama Jenny, you know, because once she prostrates, no, that's it. You have to call Pentai. You guys understand? So I mean, Uncle Lai, he's still fit. He used to go run in TTDI Park, remember? I saw you there. I was at TTDI Park, I was wearing black pants and black shirt, slim and gorgeous, and I was walking there, and he ran by. I saw him, you know. He just went right by. David was with me, right? And I said, isn't that your dad? He said, yeah. I said, how can you don't know me? I said, I don't know. He ran right by me. Can you believe it? He met me in person in public. You could have had me all to yourself. And he ran right by. He missed a celebrity, a Dharma celebrity. You're going to be a nun. You're going to be a nun who is a monk. You're going to be a nun who's a monk. Can you imagine Gimli, we sent to a monastery, the abbot said, you're going to be a monk or nun? It's a problem she's had for years when she goes to the malls, you know. She doesn't know to go to Lelaki or Peron Pawan. So when she goes to the monastery, the abbot, the holy old monks would be, oh, would you like, are you going to be a monk or a nun? And she'll be like, can you do a divination? Okay, now, Zambala, Setrap retreat, formalized, real, join, retreats. For world peace, for Kichara World Peace Center. Okay, exciting, isn't it? That's right. And you do it together so you're confident, just like tonight. Before you start, I will come and officiate the retreats. I'll give you oral transmission of each of the practices. Then you can start. You do not have my permission to pass these practices to others till in the future when I tell you may, because I will create teachers, local teachers, lay people. I will create priests in the future, Buddhist priests, which you do not need to take ordination vows, but you take layman's vows and you become a priest. And you will teach Buddhism as a priest. You can still be a layman and have a family, have a boyfriend, have a girlfriend, up to you. I will create that in the future. Why? Because I don't want you guys to keep importing Tibetan lamas because they're running out. And it's not easy, and there's language problems. Let's create our own lamas here. Female, male, be sincere, learn, be part of the growth. You will have no regrets. None.